In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you can follow to start making $998 per day with AI. And you're going to be doing it by giving away free software. This literally couldn't be any easier. You're going to be giving away free software, and who doesn't love free? And the best part is AI is going to be doing all the work. You're literally just going to be clicking buttons. So if you can click buttons, you are going to be able to do what I'm showing you in this tutorial today. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and what I'm going to show you in this video I have been doing for the past 2 years while traveling around the country in this converted school bus. So if I can do this while living out of a school bus, I'm guessing that no matter who you are or where you are going to be able to do the same thing too. So like I said, AI is going to be doing the vast majority of the work for us. So you can see here I've already got some content going, but what I want to do now is show you the exact steps that you can use to turn AI content just like this into $998 per day or more. So before we go any further, comment profit on this video right now if you are tired of selling your time for money. That's what I'm trying to show you here, how to break free of the 9 to 5 and start letting automation make money for you. So if that's exciting, I want you to go ahead and register for my upcoming webinar at profitpassively.com, because obviously there's only so much I'm going to be able to show you in a short YouTube video like this. So if you want all the details, head to profitpassively.com, sign up for the webinar, and you'll be able to get a lot more information. But without further ado, let's jump into the exact steps that you can follow to start earning $998 per day with AI. So the first step is to grab your free software from funnelsforever.com. Obviously, if we're going to be giving away free software, first you need to have it. So go ahead and head to funnelsforever.com and grab your free software. So the next step is going to be finding your referral link. And all this stuff is really simple, and I'm going to walk you through it right here on the screen so that you know exactly what to do and can get started. So once you grab your free account, again, that's at funnelsforever.com. Once you grab your free account, all you have to do is click this button up here that says affiliate program, and then once this page loads, you're going to scroll down to where it says promotion tools. Very simple. So you'll see a button here that says links. You click that, and these are your referral links. There's a variety of different ones to choose from here. You know, some go to a webinar, some go to a free ebook. So you just pick whichever one of these you want to promote. To be honest with you, I normally just use this first one here, but it depends on your audience what you want to do. But anyways, these are the links that you are going to be sharing to make money online. So now obviously the more clicks you get on these links, the more sales you're going to make and the more money you're going to make. But ultimately, all it takes is just one of these sales to earn a $998.80 commission. So if you can get one of these sales per day, then you're already at $998 per day with AI. So imagine if you make 2 or 3 of these per day, well, your income is going to skyrocket. So that's what I want to show you how to do. We've already done the first 2 steps. Grab your free software, find your referral link so that you can actually have something that makes you money and something to give away for free. So the next step, step 3, is to set up your excitement page. Now, this is also known as an opt-in page or a lead magnet or a landing page, but I like to call it an excitement page because that reminds you of your goal when setting this page up. It's to get somebody excited for what they are about to get. So here's what that looks like. Here's an example of one of mine. If you want to check it out in person, head to profitablebots.com. But essentially, this is what I call an excitement page, an opt-in page, a landing page. This is basically just a simple page where you're going to send somebody to get them started. So you could see this is all it is, right? Anyone can design this. It's literally a picture and a handful of words, right? We got a heading, a subheading, and then one sentence, and that's it. That's the whole page. And then we have a button here, right? And so once somebody puts their email into this box, then they get redirected to the offer that makes us money. So here, if we grab this link, just come over here and I'll just pop it in so we can see what this page looks like. And as soon as somebody clicks on your link, they are going to be taken to a page where they can grab their free software. So There we go, the better free way to build funnels and sell digital products. Again, it's free, huge button right there, get started, it's free. So that's what we're going to be doing, and that's how it works. So again, we need to set up one of these excitement pages. So once you're here inside of your account, if I go back to the home page here, you're going to want to click this section that says Groove Pages. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you here. So here you can see the exact site I was just showing you, but I'm going to go ahead and set up a new one so you can see just how easy this is. Now, of course, they have a bunch of templates already inside of the tool here, so really you could just click one of these and get started right away and not have to do any work, and that's really the simplest way. But to just break down how easy this is for you, I'm going to just start from scratch with a brand new blank page so that you could see literally how fast you can get this, something like this, set up. So here we have a brand new page. I'm going to click a button to add to the canvas. And again, there's templatized stuff in here. So these is kind of like the templates I was showing you before, except these are just blocks. So you can start building with blocks, or you can literally just start using elements. And so if I just drag a heading in here, and then I'll need to close this menu in just a second. Once it loads, there we go, we have a heading. So now I can do a couple things. I can adjust the layout of this. Say I want it centered, right? I can just come over here and click these buttons. Now it's centered. So now if we want to adjust the size, we'll just come over here and drag the slider, right? And we can make this bold, whatever you want to do. So you can make this something as simple as grab your free software, right? And then so to make it a little prettier, let me come over here to spacing, and I'll just move it down a little bit. There we go, that looks pretty good. So now the next thing I might want on this page, if I come over to elements, let's say we put an image next. All right, so it's going to place a little image here. So then we just click the settings, choose which image we want. So I'm going to come in here and select one of my images. Let's go with this money one. Why not? Just keep things simple. There we go. And again, all of the options for adjusting the size and the spacing and everything like that is right over here in this little menu. So we'll make that a little smaller. Grab your free software. All right, that looks cool. So the next thing that I'm going to do is come over here to elements, and I'm going to put a form on this page. So I just need to find what I'm looking for here. There we go. Form. So I'm going to come over here and place a form on this page, and again, this is just somewhere where somebody can put their email in to then get redirected to a link. So I'll go ahead and click the settings, and I'll need to select my form here, right? If you don't have one of these, you're going to need to take a few minutes to set up your form in your account, but you'll see right here it says thank you redirect link. So this is where we're going to put that affiliate link. Remember, I showed you where to get your referral link here. So we're going to copy this link, this referral link, and we're going to come over here and paste this in where it says redirect link. Now the reason we want to do that is because now when somebody puts their email in and clicks this button, they're going to be taken to the page to grab their free software page. This exact page is where they're going to end up so that they can get something for free. Now, why don't we send them to this page directly? Well, that is where the next step comes in and where AI comes in. We're going to be setting up an AI email sequence so that if somebody comes and they look at this page and they decide, you know what, not today, I don't want free software today, and they don't end up grabbing this free deal, well, that's okay, because now we are going to have AI email them every day or every other day until they either grab their free account or unsubscribe from our list. So that's what I want to show you how to do next. Like I said, I want to show you this entire process step by step. So here again, before we move on, if you want to, you can change the color of this stuff here. It's all really easy. We're just clicking buttons, right? None of this is complicated. So save your progress. Right, and this could look a lot better, right? I could adjust the spacing on this, but I think you get the idea. There's no reason for me to waste a bunch of your time clicking buttons, because you can read just like I can. You can come here and click whichever thing you want and put it on your page, right? It's not going to take you much time at all. So what I want to do now is, like I said, show you the next step in the process, how to set up your AI email sequence. So bring ChatGPT over here for us. That's what you saw at the beginning of this video. Is I started a prompt. I said, write me a 10 email sequence that promotes a software called funnelsforever.com. And I specified, I said, give me emails that are 100% complete, ready to be copied and pasted into my autoresponder. Don't leave anything for me to fill in except for my name. So here we go. This is what AI did. Subject: unlock your online earning potential with funnelsforever.com. Hey, first name, are you ready to take your online business to new heights? With funnelsforever.com, you can automate your money making process effortlessly. Our software is designed to streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your revenue. Sign up for your free account today and start maximizing your earning potential. Best regards, your name. So this is literally ready to just be copied and pasted into the autoresponder. So again, under the menu here, if you come down to this one that says Groove Mail, you'll be brought to a menu like this, and you can click on this button that says Sequences, because we're going to be setting up a sequence of emails. So of course you won't have it in your account. You'll click this button that says New Sequence, but I'll show you one I already have just to save a bit of time here. So the first thing here is a trigger, and I know I'm moving fast, but I just want to get this through this so that you can actually get started and start earning $998 or more with AI. So anyways, here's the trigger. This is what starts this whole process. And again, if we look at this demo page here, this is this is what starts the sequence, right? So as soon as I click submit, start the training on this page, now I'm sent to an offer. And again, you can see here, this is a similar offer, not the same software, but you can see open a tab and create your account now. So you get the idea. We're getting people to take action, very small actions, free actions that ultimately could lead up to a larger action of spending money and you earning money. But anyways, that's how the trigger works. So you'll set the trigger for the form that you have on your page. And then once that happens, all we're doing is sending emails. So we're going to set a time delay, and all we do is click this button that says time delay, and then you could set the time. You can set it for a number of hours or a number of days. So you can see when somebody opts into this particular list, what I do is I send them an email, the first email, an hour later, because they were probably looking at my thing, and then some time went past and they moved on to do something else. So what I want to do is remind them, like give them a gentle tap. Hey, you were interested in this thing, right? So then I have a delay for 1 day. So we're going to give them a little bit of a break, and then the next day they're going to get an email reminding them about the offer, right? And then a time delay for another day, and then another email. And again, we are just copying these emails from ChatGPT. So here's the second one. Start making money online today with Funnels Forever. Imagine a world where your online business runs like a well-oiled machine, generating income while you sleep. Funnels Forever can turn that dream into a reality. Sign up for our free trial now and discover how easy it is to automate your money-making strategies. Don't let this slip away. Join us today. Warm regards, your name, right? So there's email 2. We literally just copy it, we paste it into the autoresponder, and then the last step is to, again, grab your referral link. This is very important because this is the link that can make you money. So grab your referral link and then put it into the email here, right? Put it at the end of the email. Just paste it in right here, and you're done. And then, so once this is set up, this system is going to run on autopilot and can potentially make you money 24/7, 365 days out of the year. So the last thing I want to show you here is step 5, send traffic. So of course there are a million ways to send traffic. Of course the easiest way is to just run ads. You can just spend some money and get as many clicks on your offer as you want. Now, if you don't necessarily have money to spend on ads, then I recommend using things like videos, social media posts, emails, text messages, whatever you got to do to get people to this offer. Now, getting traffic can be the hardest part of making money online. And again, that's why I created a webinar that I'm going to run through to show you the exact steps to take this kind of from a beginner level to somebody who really knows what they're doing. And again, that's at profitpassively.com. It's going to offer you a free checklist. That's the first step, is to grab my free checklist, which exposes how to grow a brand new social media account to over 1,000 followers this month and start making money promoting other people's products. Essentially doing what I'm showing you here in this video, giving away free software. So this is perfect for total beginners and people afraid of social media. It works for any product in any niche. Again, it's going to grow your account to 1,000 followers fast so that you can get daily opt-ins to your email list, right? That's the important part, is getting daily opt-ins. We want people seeing this every day so that we can make sales around the clock and earn passive income. So go ahead, grab the free checklist. On the very next page, you'll be able to see the schedule for the webinar and register for the one that is most convenient for you. So the last thing I want to show you here is if you need help, if you feel like you just need a little bit of help getting started, no problem. I am happy to help you out. All you have to do is book a time to speak with me, and you could do that at profitpassively.com/help. And if you forget the extension, that's okay, because right here on the home page there's a button right here that says get help. If you need help, just click that. I'd be more than happy to help you, to take a look at what you're doing, tell you what you could do better, give you some ideas for getting started, tell you how this specifically can work for the business you are in, or if you're not in a business, I can show you where to get started finding things to promote as a complete beginner. So whatever kind of help you need, just click the green button there or head to profitpassively.com/help and let me know. Other than that, that about wraps up the video. Like I said, if you want more details, if you want to learn the ins and outs, then I would register for the upcoming webinar at profitpassively.com. So with that said, I hope you make a ton of money online, and if you haven't already, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so that you can see more of these videos when I release them in the future. If you want to see them right away, be sure to click the bell icon. That'll give you a notification on your phone each and every time I upload, so that you can be one of the first people to watch the video and take the action. So like I said, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making tutorial.